Let's go.
Before we hand it over to the Toronto State Big Band, again, we are Project Phoenix. Feel free to follow our Instagram at the Project Phoenix Band Toronto. Yep, that's it. Oh yeah. And if you can't spell Phoenix, neither can I. Just don't ask me.
Hopefully everyone's enjoying the lovely weather. We got some more coming up for you.
Yeah, that's a fun one, ain't it? So just to give y'all a brief introduction one more time, we are Caliber Funk or just Caliber. You can call us either one of the two, but we go by Caliber, all right? If you want to find us on the social medias, if you just look at Caliber Funk on Instagram, Facebook, if you got a gig that you want us to book for, you know, y'all got a party or something, you want to book us, it's Caliber Funk at Gmail. So there you go. It's like you could have a place to find us.
So come on back. If you're walking back, come on back. We got a whole bunch of other songs that we can play for you. This is gonna be our last song, probably. We're gonna do Crazy.
Magic sound. All right, we got time for one more song. When I say to Maraca, you say to Maraca too. To Maraca! To Maraca! To Maraca! To Maraca! To Maraca! To
Ideally, maybe we could close. Alright, this next tune I think is probably the most well-known jazz standard ever. So come on out and dance.
Jenny, a little short break here. This next song is for those of you that know that Paul McCartney was in another band before he was in Wings, eh?
Yeah, and what's the agreement we have with them?
Oh yeah, we're not supposed to play their stuff.